Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 9. And in this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to use the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to compare quantities and numerals. So looking at this right here, we're going to do two problems. And we have to write the number in the blank so that the alligator is eating the greater number. Okay, so for A, we have 21 and 17. Now remember, we read numbers whenever we are comparing them from left to right. So we're going to look at the tens place first. We have 21 has two tens and 17 only has one. So we automatically know that 21 is bigger because it has two tens. So now we know that 21 is bigger. And remember, we said that alligator is really, really hungry. So that alligator is going to eat that bigger number. Well, 21 is that bigger number. So that means that that alligator mouth that's right here needs to be pointing towards the 21 because that's the bigger number. That's what the alligator is going to eat. So we put 21 right here to where it's facing where the alligator can eat that 21. And then 17 will go on the other side. So now this will read 21 is greater than 17. Now for B. Now B shows the number 24 and 31. So again, we read the numbers we're comparing from left to right. So we're looking at the 2 in the tens place and for 24 and the 3 in the tens place for 31. Oh, well, we automatically know the 3 tens is bigger than 2 tens. So that means we know that 31 is the bigger number because it has 3 tens and not 2 tens like 24 does. So again, that alligator wants to eat that bigger number. The alligator is pointing to this line right here. So that means we're going to put 31 right here because that's that bigger number. That's what the number that the alligator is going to eat. That bigger number, which is 31. And then we'll put 24 on this side. All right, guys, that's it for this video.